Cook and Vibe, man. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Yeah, it's the morning time. You get me? Yeah, we've got something nice and special for you, very authentic today. Do you know what I'm saying? Green banana porridge. Yes, man. Today we're doing green banana porridge. You get me? We got a little peanut porridge to try as well. You get me? Simple, nice, good thing for the morning time. It's Cook and Vibe. It's season 7. We're there. Forward. We don't go backward. Why Yes, people, so here's our ingredients for today. We've got some cinnamon powder, we've got some nutmeg, we've got some milk, we've got green banana. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so this is the milk in Jamaica. Processed in Jamaica. Yeah. Little one there just in case we run out. Yeah. Never seen this condensed milk in the packet before as well. That's a new one. So all the only other thing you're gonna need is some water. You get me? So yeah. And we've got is because it's all about porridge today. We've got a peanut porridge there. You get me? So I thought we're just, we're dealing with porridge today. So you don't know, we've seen the different porridges. You can get cornmeal porridge, you get peanut porridge. Green banana porridge is a first for me. I've never tried it before, but let's go in for the Ooh, that one is really good. Peanut porridge. Yeah, so maybe we get busy with our green banana porridge. Why are
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why?
Yes, people. So I've got my cup of water. I've got 1 cup of milk. We're going to use that to blend the green banana. So I'm just cutting up the green banana, which we're going to blend with the milk and the well, not all of it, we're not going to use all of it, the milk and the water, you know what I'm saying? So, but I will show you what to do. Yeah, what we're going to do is just going to put our green banana in there like this. Why Cook and Vibe. Don't forget to subscribe and all them thing there. And we're gonna put most of that. See, I left that. And most of that same way. Yeah. Why? Yeah, man. So the pot is on heating, and we've got our mixture here: green banana, milk, and water. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do now, once this mixture's all out of here, I'm gonna add the remaining milk and water. Yeah, and then we're gonna give it a mix round, and then we're gonna start seasoning. Yeah, baby. Yes. All right, seasoning time now. So, nutmeg, cinnamon powder. Yeah. I'll take that inside as well now. Take, yeah. Sorry about the mess, people. I'm cooking. Wally. Yeah, mix these spices in now. Ooh, that cinnamon and nutmeg just give it a beautiful, beautiful smell and aroma. You get me? So now it's just keeping the porridge going about 15-20 minutes. You get me? And then we add our condensed milk. Enough people add vanilla as well, but we don't really have no vanilla. I can't bother this morning, so. Green banana porridge, you know? Yeah, man. This, people, is pretty much done. If you see the consistency, nice and thick. You get me? I added a little bit more milk. You get me? But that's pretty much done. The spices and the aroma is really nice coming from there. So now we're gonna add our condensed milk. Never seen it in a packet like this. Jamaica. So. Add in our condensed milk. The whole packet. And we like it sweet. Yeah, I like it sweet, man. I like porridge, like sweet, sweet, sweet. Yeah. Sorry, I've never had no vanilla. Yeah, free.
Subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty.
I'm going to mix this in now. Condensed milk in with the porridge. Woyoy. Wind. And then we're done. Yeah, man. Woyoy! Green banana porridge. Young green banana and snapper. Woyoy! Yeah, man. There we go. There is our green banana porridge. You know what I'm saying? Nice consistency going on there. Zimmy, smelling beautiful. Morning time, we've already tried the peanut porridge. You get me? Now we're gonna try the green banana porridge. This is the first time for me. It's the first time I've ever cooked it. It was really simple, easy to do at home. You get me? Make sure you try it. Let's go. Taste time. Woyoy. See it there? And I thought I'll do the traditional style. I used the same cup as my peanut porridge to put it in so it looks authentic, like you get on the roadside. Green banana porridge. See it there, people? Oi, oi.
Guys, we are on the run up to 50k. Yes, that's right. So don't forget to subscribe, please and thanks. Why?
Why people, taste time. You understand? I thought I'll stand behind the banana trees to just get the feeling. You understand? So green banana porridge. First time I made it. It's good. Green banana gives off a different flavour. Completely different flavour. And then with the cinnamon and the nutmeg and everything. It's a distinctive flavour. You get me, but it's nice. Yeah man, the green banana definitely brings out a different taste. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed it, people. Green banana porridge. Morning time. Why on?
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Oi! It's the big up section, people.
I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Banana porridge, green banana porridge. You get me? A very traditional thing here in Jamaica. You get me? Don't forget to subscribe. It takes 1 second, man. Just stop watching the video right now. Just go and press that button right now. Please and thanks. You get me? And don't forget to hit that like button, people. Yes, it's season 7. We're in Jamaica. It's a good vibes, man. You get me? So, yeah. Big up CCBN McDub. You get me? He says, man, great video. This dude has heart and soul from the very beginning of this video when he said he's at the place he loves and the land he loves. I can feel it. I can see he loves the people in the island. He feels the same way about Jamaica as I do Haiti, and it's the people. That's why I go there so much. You know what? I'm going to make a stop in Jamaica sometime this year just because of M.R. See it there. That's what I'm saying. We love to promote Jamaica. We love to promote the culture. We love to promote the country because we love it and we're just here. And you know, in anything in life, everybody has their thing that they love. And this is what I love. And whoever's watching this must love it as well because you're watching this. You get me? Big up yourself, people. Big up Greystone. Greystone says, yes, M. Big up yourself. We appreciate the hard work you're putting in, and Ben as well. Big him up still. It's going to pay off, my G. Yes, people, I'm going to be honest with you. The views have gone up a lot since I've been out here. As I'm recording this, I've released about 3 episodes. That's it. And it's doing a lot better. So we give thanks. Thank you, everybody, for your support. It really does mean a lot. You can see where we was and see where we're at now. It's a good look, innit, people? It's a good look. Oi, it's Cook and Vibe. I'll see you next time. Big up yourselves.